Hey guys, and happy Friday. It's very exciting. This is actually going to be one of our last Fridays coming up. We are very close to the end of the year. I really want to encourage you guys to finish strong. Keep doing your work. You've been doing really well. Just continue. The only announcements I really have for today are Monday we will be having a book clubs again, so make sure you're prepared. Finish up your synthesis summary, not your synthesis summary, sorry, your turning point writing today. If you have any questions about what your turning point is, email me, ask, we can talk about it. So finish up your turning point writing today. Remember, you got to cover your author's message, which should be the same as your Westingame author's message, which is things aren't always what they seem. And then look at the events that kind of back that up in your book, getting to your turning point. So make sure you finish that. Secondly, well, I don't remember what else there was. You have book clubs on Monday, and that's pretty much it. We're really close to the end, guys, so keep going. You can do it. It's sunny outside today, so when you finish your work, go play. Have fun. All right. See you later, guys.